back to my channel. So in today's video, I know this is a little late, but this is the Play SMARTS box. This is the skincare by age. Now they had 3 to choose from. If you're in your 30s, your 40s, or your 50s. This is a $20 box. It's not a monthly subscription. It is just one of their special boxes that come with like a crash course. I saw the spoilers for the 30s one, and I am in my 30s. It's not that I didn't like what was in it, but I just felt like there were other products that I had wanted from these other boxes. So I really liked the 50s one. I saw that and I said, wow, this is actually better than the 30s. But then the 40s one was my favorite. I felt like that one had the most value. I believe it's like a $92 value. It had the most value. It had a lot of high-end products in it, which I think all of them did, but this one was my absolute favorite. So I did end up getting the 40s box. When you open it up, you do get these collectible cards, and that's right on the top, and then you'll see your bag right there. This time around, this was really cool because this is the bag. I mean, it's not very useful for products. It does say Play SMARTS on it, and it's really cute. I'm not saying it's not. It looks like a CD case, actually. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I only purchased this one. I didn't get the 30s one. I didn't get the 50s one. I only purchased this one, but I'm just not sure what to do with this bag. If you have any ideas of what to do with this, please let me know. So you get these little cards. They are supposed to be where you go along with the course, and then you'll write some notes down, and it's supposed to be for your own knowledge, basically. So it says here on the front, welcome to your comprehensive guide to navigating skincare in your 40s. You get another play pass here, so 50 extra bonus points to go onto your account. And then the rest of the cards are all descriptions, and then you're supposed to go along with the course, and if you want to write some notes or questions down, then that's what you would do. All right, so let's just go with the first product. I'm gonna go along with the card. Now, I actually just received this in my Birchbox. Not mad to have another one, and it's from Sunday Riley. It is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It's a lactic acid treatment that exfoliates away dead skin cells to clear pores for brighter, plumper looking skin that you'll notice within 3 minutes. So then at the bottom, it'll give you like a concern and how to use it, and then some other little information here. It says it's good for dark spots and uneven texture. And it says why. The rate of skin cell turnover slows down in your 40s, and this buildup of dead skin cells makes skin appear dull. This treatment pairs chemical exfoliation with licorice to bring out your natural glow. This is a really, really pricey product. I think that the full size is like $105. The next product is something I'm actually using right now. I had this little sample from a Sephora Favorites box, and it is the Caudalie Premier Crew Eye Cream, and it is just a really nice moisturizing eye cream. I really, really enjoy it, and I've seen such a difference. It says it's a luxurious eye cream packed with grapeseed, polyphenols, and pearlescent pigments to visibly reduce dark circles while smoothing and depuffing. I've been using this little sample here, the other one I have, for a while now, and it's been lasting me for so long. So even though that this is a little guy here, this is another really pricey brand, and you only need the tiniest amount that this will last a long time. This is again from Sunday Riley, and it's the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. It's a powerful retinol oil that drastically reduces the look of wrinkles, redness, and pores with the unique blue colored formula. It's good for wrinkles and visible pores. And it says you would press a couple of drops onto clean, dry skin at night before your moisturizer. So sometimes when I have an oil, I usually would put it in to lock everything in, because I know that an oil can penetrate the moisturizer, but a moisturizer can't penetrate oil. So I think with this one is because it's retinol, you want it directly onto the skin, and you want that benefit as much of it. I guess so, that's why, but I've used it both ways and have still seen benefits to it. The bottle is blue and it is glass, which is good. As you can see, it's a blue oil, and when you do first put it onto your skin, it comes out blue. But then as you massage it in, it completely disappears. You do not use this if you're pregnant because retinol is not good for pregnant women. Okay, so then the next thing here is another little guy from Kiehl's, and it is the Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. It's a lightweight glow-inducing moisturizer enriched with antioxidant-packed pomegranate to protect and hydrate skin. It's good for dry, uneven texture. Skin starts to lose its ability to produce oil over time, so a hydrating, long-lasting face cream is key. This one even leaves behind a subtle radiance. Not a white lotion, which usually that's what you would think. It comes out more like a nude shade, which is really weird, but then when you blend it blends in really nicely. And it absorbs pretty quickly, and it feels really nice. And it does, it gives like a really subtle glow to your skin. Not a shimmer, not a glitter, a glow, which is what I like. Next thing, which comes in this cute little milk box, I'm calling it, is from Allure Beauty. It's a detoxifying silt jelly mask. A detoxifying and simultaneously moisturizing face mask that uses black silt to leave skin balanced and bright. It's good for uneven texture, visible pores, and dryness. So this is a quick mask because it says you would put it on dry skin and then you would remove it after 5 to 10 minutes. It comes in this cute little box. It says performance is purifying and brightening, hydrating and cooling, improves overall skin texture. Definitely a good size to try. It's not like good looking at all. It's like a brownish. It does not have a bad scent to it though. It actually smells really nice. I'm not gonna touch it or anything because it definitely looks moisturizing. So I don't know, I'll try this out maybe in the winter when my skin just feels a little drier. Last but not least, which is the reason why I even picked this box, is the Tatcha water cream. I have been wanting this for so long. I've had like little packets. It is an oil-free face cream packed with Japanese botanicals and superfoods that shrink the appearance of pores and visually plump skin. It's good for uneven texture, dryness, visible pores. If you're in a hurry, skip primer. Your complexion will still look flawless. It's good for normal to oily skin. So for somebody with my skin type, this is perfect. Look how cute that is. I love it. I love how it says Tatcha on it. Still branded. It's so cute. I think it all just went to the side because of how it was laying. So we'll see if it settles and if it'll show how much it really has, because right now it doesn't seem really filled to the top. But either way, you only need a tiny amount of this. I've had little packets of it and I've gotten 2 or 3 uses out of that. This feels so nice on the skin. It's so refreshing and cooling. I really do love this. Tatcha is such a good brand. And I have the Tatcha Pearl and I have the Silk Canvas. So those 2 products are amazing. That I've said my next Tatcha product is going to be this. So that's it for this Play Skincare SMARTS box. So again, this was the 40s box. And with this little case here, you received the Caudalie eye cream, the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, another Sunday Riley product, and that's the Luna Sleeping Night Oil, the Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator, the Volition Detoxifying Jelly Mask, and then again the Tatcha Water Cream. So I think for $20, this was a really good value for sure. Just with the Tatcha and the Sunday Riley alone, I think it was so worth it. I really like this. If they still have them available, I might pick up the 50s box. Not 100% sure. But if you did receive this or any one of these, let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Keep a lookout for some more unboxing videos. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.